The Bird That Flew By Inji, animated by Waverly Wang, and narrated by Faith Henderson. The bird that flew by went with such a potent cry that I, a seedling of mind, thought about time, about how seconds slip through the fingers of God, flowing into our reality like a swift wind in the sky, reshaping clouds, making snow glide, land on balling concrete and melt into ordinary. Yet, I saw it snow in spring one day, as if time hadn't passed and winter was today. Holding out my hand for the damp touch, only then did I realize whatever kissed my palm was still soft, but utterly dry. I knew what I saw, or I thought I did, but what I thought was snow were mere feathers and wind. They belonged to the bird that flew by, probably why it so potently cried, and I didn't dare think, when did it get hit? Perhaps it was justice, for a crime only God knew had been done. Or perhaps it was time, for time loved moving on.